Alright, so this week I am sharing 7 tips to help you get back on track if you have wavered in any way from your fitness journey and perhaps gotten a little more flabby over quarantine time. Today I've got step 2, conquer your fear. Change makes most of us nervous, even if it is change in the right direction. Now we may not be consciously aware of the fear that you have in getting into shape, but until you conquer this fear, your best body efforts will be blocked by self-sabotage. Professional speaker and author Anthony Robbins, he outlined 3 specific beliefs that we must have in order to conquer our fears and instantly create a lasting change. The first one is believe that something must change. You can't be wishy-washy about it. You can't be considering it. You can't even be pretty sure about it. You've got to be rock solid. Believe that you must change it. That's the next one. You can't pass the buck of responsibility and expect to lose weight. It is on your shoulders. It's on you. Other people will prove to be great assets in your journey, but in the end, you are the one who is going to make it happen. You have to want this weight loss enough to make it your personal mission. The next one is believe that you can change it. You may have failed in the past, but that doesn't matter. When you put your mind to it, you're able to do amazing things. Do you believe that you are capable of losing weight? Yes or no? Once you own the belief that you can, then you'll be unstoppable. Get serious about your results and begin the last weight management program that you'll ever do. Call or email me today to get started. Train well, be intentional, and have faith.